What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today we got the car off the ground again. This time we have no tires, man, on the car. So right now we are doing a brake fluid flush. So I already did the right rear. So how it's set up, if it's your first time doing a brake fluid flush on your Camaro SS1 Elite, whether the SS and ZL1, this is the steps that you go through. So to bleed it is the right rear, left front, left rear, right front. So that's how I'm doing it right now. I already did the rear so far, and I already did the left front, the driver front side. So now I'm about to work on this side. And yeah, like, this is another car garage project in the books right here that we about to do right now. And it's a lot easier than I thought. And you guys wondering, like, man, he doing a lot to his car lately. But this one, I was actually going to pay the dealership to do this, to be honest. But I got pissed off because, to make a long story short, I already had the fluid here. Like, so I'm using the Brembro. I'm replacing this. What's already, that comes in the factory. So coming from the factory, we got an SS1 Elite. It comes with .4. That's what it says on here. Got like .4. I don't know, can you guys see it? It's like right there. But it comes with that, but it doesn't have a high boiling point. So come to find out, the stock boiling point for this car, if you guys want to know, it's like 509 degrees, which is okay for the street, to be honest, but not for the track. So the Brembos that I have here is like 617, if I remember correctly. So that's plenty enough for me. And I never ran this before, so I'm expecting to have like a stiff brake feel. So we're going to see how this runs and how this performs in the car. But this is like really the last step for me, so I can be ready for the track. And I don't do this every time, but this should last me the whole year based on how many track days I got ahead, you know. So yeah, I'm about to get into this and get started. I'm about to just do a time lapse and show you guys. So right now, I gotta remove this. There's one on the inside and the outside, so I'm gonna remove the inside one first. Apply this hose there, attach it to there, pump the brakes a couple of times. This is gonna fill up, and then close this. Remove this cap, crack this open, and then pump that a few times, and then this should fill up halfway. Then all the rest of the fluid should come out that driver's, that passenger side. So that's what we're doing. As you can see here on that right rear, well, on the left rear, you got to keep checking your fluid. That's why I got 3 bottles, so I can fill it up. As y'all can see here, there's like a max line here at the top, and there's one at the bottom. So make sure you fill it up back to the max while you're bleeding the whole system. So I'm about to fill it up one more time. And then, I already used 1 bottle so far that's empty. I threw it away over there. But I'm about to fill it up one more time, and then all the old fluid should come out that passenger side front. And then after that, by the time I fill it up, I should be good to go. The old fluid will be flushed out the system, and the new fluid will be good to go. And like that, man, that's going to wrap this video up, man. I have officially finished the brake fluid flush on this Camaro, man. So, like I was saying before, major shout out, if I didn't, major shout out to this YouTube channel, man. Follow my line, that actually helped me through this process. And if I can do it, man, you can do it too, man. This is a very simple job, and it only took about 2 hours to do. So the same 2 hours you would have spent at the dealership, you can spend at home and do it yourself, man. So like that, I'm about to go ahead and put the tires on. And the very last thing to do, if you guys do this, if you have a manual, is to time to punch the clutch. So I got to punch the clutch about 200 times, 300 times. So I'm going to get a good leg workout today for sure. But yeah, man, that's what I'm about to do. Be sure if y'all doing this with a manual, pump the clutch. If you don't have, if you got an auto, you don't have to do this. But yeah, man. So like that, that's gonna wrap this video up. Be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.